guys, today I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts for Windows 8. Alright, so the first one I wanted to show you is the Windows key on the keyboard. The Windows key looks exactly like your Start menu, which is right here. And when you click on the Windows key, it's going to go to the Start menu. And if you click it again, it'll go back to your desktop. Next, if you press the Windows key and L at the same time, it will lock. Next is Windows and M. As you can see, that minimizes the window you're in. Next, if I press the Windows key and C at the same time, it's going to open the sidebar. If I press the Windows key and X, it's going to open a menu over here. And from this menu, you can get to Programs and Features, Mobility Center, Power Options, Event Viewer, System, Device Manager, Network Connections, Disk Management, Computer Management, Command Prompt Admin, Task Manager, Control Panel, File Explorer, Search, Run, Shutdown or Sign Out, and Desktop. If I press Windows key and K, it opens Devices. If I press the Windows key and H, it opens Share. If I press Windows key F, it opens Search and Files. If I press Windows key and D, it will minimize the program I'm in. And if I press it again, it's going to bring it back. If I press Windows key F, it opens Search again, and this time it's set to Everywhere. Windows key and P goes to Project. Windows key and I opens Settings. Windows key and U, this opens the Ease of Access Center. Windows key R opens Run. Windows key and E opens this PC. Windows key and W opens Search and Settings. Windows key and Q opens Search and Everywhere. If I press the Windows key and the down arrow key, it makes this window smaller. And if I press the Windows key and the up arrow key, it's going to bring it back to its full size. If I press the Windows key and the right arrow key, it's going to change the position of the program I'm in. When I press it once, it puts it over to the right, and if I press it again, it puts it to the left, and if I press it one more time, it goes back to smaller. If I press Windows key and the left arrow key, it's going to move it to the left, back to the right, and back to the center. If I press the Windows key and Enter, as you can see, a window shows up here at the bottom, and this is the narrator settings. Next, if I press the Windows key and 1, it goes to this PC, and if I press it again, it's going to minimize it. If I press Windows key and 2, it opens my Games app, Wild Target Games, and if I press it again, it's going to minimize it. Windows key and 3 opens Movie Studio Platinum 12.0. And if I press it again, it's going to minimize. Windows key 4 opens Avg Internet Security. If I press it again, it's going to minimize. If I press the Windows key and 5, it's going to open Chrome. And if I press it again, it's going to minimize. Windows key 6 opens Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. If I press it again, it'll minimize. Windows key 7 opens Windows Media Player. If I press it again, it's going to minimize. Windows key 8 opens Jackie Lawson Circus. Pressing it again minimizes it. Windows key 9. Windows key 9 opens the program you're currently using. If I press Windows key and the plus sign, it opens the magnifier. And if I press it again, it zooms in. And I can keep pressing it until it zooms in all the way. So as you can see, it zooms in pretty far. Now if I press the Windows key and minus, it's going to zoom out. Again, I can keep pressing this until it zooms out all the way. And then I'm just going to X out of the magnifier. Alright, so those were some keyboard shortcuts specifically for Windows 8. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you in my next video.